We can start our design in the Start file or copy the elements to our project. Let's begin by drawing the curtain wall. Module width grid can be defined manually by using Curtain Grid tool, or using the presets or our own settings. By selecting the curtain walls, we can edit the type by changing the default panel type, grids, and mullions. We will discuss element types and joint connections in one of the next tutorials. Let's adjust the wall height. Grid can be adjusted manually by unpinning it first and then adjusting the values. Using Curtain Grid tool, we add the vertical grid. By selecting the grid line, we can input the desired value or drag the grid. By selecting the mullion, we can choose between transversal joint profile options HF40 and HF52. Complete the placement of the grid. Thank you for watching. You are welcome to check out the rest of the tutorials as well as the complementary Trimoterm Revit series.